So Simran, how do we make videos more interesting?
One is plan out the structure in advance, right? Add talking points, break it into segments, like what are the points you're going to talk about, things to be mentioned, and everything in between, so that it flows smoothly. It looks like more professional and polished kind of video. And the other thing is use visuals and graphics. Adding some animation, transition, illustration helps to explain the point you are trying to explain it to the audience, and it helps to break the monotonous tone of the video which is going on and on and on. So it really makes it interesting and keeps the viewers connected to it. Something new is coming, like it's very tuck 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 wala cheese, so you get it attracted to it, right? And the third point is keep it short and concise, because nowadays no one has that kind of time ki chalo theek hai sunte rehte hain. Everyone wanted to be very short and concise, so make sure that you're not dragging the topic and to the point. One more thing which we can add in this is to add a little bit of emotion, right? Not the kind of thoda sa humor or something related to your experience, but that too be sure that you're not dragging it.
Okay, perfect.